Hello, everybody. Welcome to Feels Good to Draw This Badly. This workshop is going to be a time to just observe and record what's going on with us, like in our bodies and our minds during this unusual time. So it's very exciting. Really embrace what we like to call shit drawing. So just deconstructing existing drawing methods and helping you relax into that. Let's get drawing. I want you to grab 2 drawing utensils. I don't care what it is, a pen, a texter, whatever. And I want you to just scribble. Just scribble. Get it all out. Get the day out. So we're just going to take a few minutes to just calm ourselves by drawing a spiral. Maybe try and go a little faster. Whoop, hit the edge, switch hands. I would really like you now to draw me. You don't look at the page. So don't look down, just look straight ahead. Don't look at the page and don't lift your pen up. So it's a continuous line looking ahead at what you're trying to draw. Sorry, I looked down. I just cheated. Don't cheat. All right, how'd you go? I can't be offended because I can't see you, but there we go. Beautiful, eh? Everyone's boasting about their chickens. This is great. Get your colored pencils ready for this one. The instruction is look at the picture and draw your own terrible replica of it in 2 minutes. All right, time's up. Show me your work. Okay, whatever was bad in that, whatever particular kind of shit drawing you did, whether it was the proportions were wrong, the colors were off, it doesn't look anything like the picture. I want you to really lean into that for the next picture. All right, how'd you go? I'm taking the picture now. Beautiful. Excellent. I ran out of time, so this one's got smiley faces. It's just so lovely. 5-year-old would do better. Okay. One last one of these. A very important lesson for if you're going to be a shit drawer is that labeling is your best friend. So if you draw something that's supposed to be called a piece machine, just write piece machine. That's fine. So yet another tool to use to just loosen up. If you're a good drawer, you're obviously welcome to draw well for the rest of this class, but I just really wanted you to be able to get into your body and to use that as a tool. And this is a game for people that are like, I can draw, but I never know what to draw. It's called the 3-word game. All you need is 3 words. You need an adjective, so a describing word, a noun, a thing, and a verb, so a doing word. I want you to draw a bloated star singing. All right, that's time. How did you go with your bloated star singing? It's trying to sing, but the bloated stomach is a bit gurgly, so it's trying to hold the microphone away from a loud stomach. I want you to draw 2020 laid out before you as a food platter. So are there items in there that are chewy? Is it even edible? I just had the desire to draw a lot of water, more water, some warm water, and so much water that I want to swim in it. And I want you to think about something you've been trying to do or something you've been aiming for, or an intention you've set, and conflicting distractions and desires and things that have come with that. And I'd like you to draw yourself as a zoo full of animals. I have a big tiger being held back by a zookeeper. It's definitely an open range. So someone wrote, none of their animals are happy. On that note, I want us to spend just a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. I want you to look at all the creatures and draw them a snack. Draw them a warm snack and anything else they need. We do have one more prompt, and I like to use this prompt at the end of all classes I'm doing at the moment during this time, because I find that time can really turn into a big glob, and it's hard to make memories, and it can be hard to focus in on things. I want you to draw something that gave you pleasure or joy this week. Mine once again features sun and nature, but I was riding my bike, and even though we're in lockdown, everyone was along the creek and doing social distancing well, so it wasn't stressful, but it also felt like we were part of something. Bye, everyone. Until next time.